Now, why do you need the 420 Air Max 1?
I think it's What's Up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
the Nike Air Max 1 Treelines. So Nike has been reviving or just giving us a bunch of new Air Max 1s. You know, the OG Air Max, the concepts were a collab from a month or so ago. Just done a lot more. So the Treeline is another re-envisioning of a shoe with a nod to, is what I'm saying, right? You confused? The Treeline is a shoe that has some ties and a nod back to an old SB version. But before we get further into that, Nigel, tell them what they should do before we do.
I need you to ring that notifications bell right now.
We want you to stay up on our new content. And then why wouldn't you? And tell your friends and share our content. 1K is in the books,
Yes,
and we want to get to 2 and 5 and just explode this thing. You know, we love you and your support, and we want to just keep growing. With all of that said, let's just get to the shoe.
For sure.
We got the Nike Air Max 1 Treeline.
Oh, nah.
Not a fan?
This is... I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Don't lie. Don't lie. Don't ever lie.
I'm gonna let you handle this.
What?
Cause
you're not feeling it.
This is looking... I don't even know. I'm not with it.
You're not with it.
With you. It's looking whack.
That's okay.
Sorry.
The good thing is everything is not always for everybody.
Exactly.
And
luckily these ain't for me.
There you go. These are size 11 for Daddy. But this shoe is actually a nod back to Nike Dunk SB High Skunk, which is also called the Skunky Dunk. So this was initially supposed to be released in March, and then with a bunch of pushbacks, it was supposedly a 420 release shoe that ended up not getting released until May 1. We're not even gonna talk about all of those types of things.
Oh, I just caught like everything that you just said in the past like 30 seconds.
Oh yeah, it just clicked. What do you know about 420, Nigel? Yeah, exactly. You may have heard something, we'll keep it at that.
Yes.
But this shoe, if you put up a picture of the Skunk Dunk, the Skunky Dunk is covered in like the green and this purple, but it's like a really rough, hairy suede, but it's a dope shoe. That shoe was like, as far as SBs go, SB highs, that shoe right now goes for like $3 grand. On the third party, on the resale market. Because it's an older SB high. It was really popular and it was limited in number. So it's not a lot of them floating out there.
Yeah.
But it's a dope shoe. So this is kind of a nod to it. It has suede on it, definitely not hairy suede, around the foot of the shoe, around the base of the shoe, like that. But they did give you the hairy suede on the swoosh, which I do like. And then we've got some nice, is this suede here or is this like a felt?
This is definitely, I'm gonna have to go with more of the felt type of material here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with that's like a felt.
I think the back is made of more suede.
Yeah.
But this on the side sole,
the side sole.
The side. It's called
like the side quarter panel kind of situation.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with some felt right here.
Yeah, that's felt, which is all good.
Yeah.
And I do like the nylon on the foot of the shoe. This is feels good, with your foot in there. It's nice and comfortable.
Yeah.
Nice and soft. And then, you got your insole inside there.
That's cool.
All right. And then we've got the cream outsole, of course, or midsole, I guess you could say. The cream midsole. Yeah. And then black on the outsole. And of course, with the see-through air bubble. They can see right in there. Yeah. And they gave that some color too. That's like almost like that purpley color to kind of coordinate with the swoosh, which is cool. Boom. So you got the nylon on the forefoot. Nylon on the forefoot here. You got the laces. They only came with the one pair, and this is a green that has like purple specks on it to kind of match.
White.
Purple and white. There you go. Purple and white specks to match with the swoosh. And I really do love that hairy suede on the swoosh, the thick suede. It makes it real cool.
It's all right.
And again, that's kind of how the Skunky Dunk is kind of like that all over the shoe. Just a really thick, fuzzy suede. You got Nike Air Max. Nike Air on the back there, right?
The tongue is real cushiony. It's made of the same gold nylon as the ring. I'm calling this a ring now. I don't care what anybody else calls it. This is called a ring. And it's made of the same material and color as this tongue piece as the tongue right here. But then the tongue also has this green nylon outline, which honestly is cool. I like the way they did this, but just the color scheme is not for me. The purple and green with the brown and the different shades of brown and all that.
You don't like
Feels
it.
very like
we get it.
Like 60s-ish.
More than these?
More than those? No. But they both look like they're from the same time.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think the whole Air Max 1 silhouette in general just seems aged.
It is. It's retro, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're talking the 80s when this shoe actually initially came out. So yeah, they're reviving and bringing back the OG before all those other Air Max, the 1s, the 2s, the 3s, so on and so forth. The Air Max 1 was it. And they were fire because it was all new. It became, it was the trainer shoe.
I'm spoiled. I've seen better.
You've seen so much.
So now I'm seeing this and I'm like, what is this?
They retro and they give you all kinds of colors and materials. That's what it is. That's the game. But yeah, Nike, Nike's all about remixing the classics. So also I just wanted to point out too, so you get Nike Air Max on the back of this shoe, not Nike Air. Like typically on your Air Max, you get Nike Air, not Nike Air Max, which is different. I don't know, they just did it a little different. It's on the tongue like that too, Nike Air Max. And again, this is the concepts far out, which is still dope to me. But
you just dropped that.
I know, by accident. But I think it's a clean shoe, man. This is like summer.
I think it's all right, to be honest. I'm just not the hugest fan of it.
It's earth tones. You think like cargo shorts, like camo. It goes good with like, some camo shorts or pants. What's up?
Now, why do you need the 420 Air Max 1?
I think it's a great shoe. And I, as an adult, don't have any issues with 420 or the shoe.
Okay.
Feel me? I think the shoe is dope. I think it's not a big hype collab. I think it's this is just just good what we need. You know what I'm saying? Just a good quality, solid shoe, solid release. I picked these up on sneakers, just like real quick, put in, boom, got them. Was like, oh, surprise! Sneakers been giving me no love all of 2022, except again, I got the Kobe exclusive access, but then couldn't check out. I'm a fan of Air Max 1s. Air Max 1s are my number 2 Air Max favorite. I love the Air Max 90s, probably my number 1.
90s are cool,
90s, and I love the Air Max 95s also. 95s have you had to look at them.
What about the 97?
97s are cool in certain colorways, but on that top with like the rings that kind of, the concentric, I've never been a huge fan of that.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like that either. The off-white ones, they were cool because they didn't have like the rings.
Yeah,
but the regular, I don't really like it too much either.
Agreed. So what's your thoughts on these? Do you like the Air Max Treeline? Did you cop a pair? Oh, did we tell people what they should do? We did tell them
what they should do. But if you haven't done it, you should still do it.
That's right. Ring that bell, subscribe, hit us up on Instagram at RealDaddySeed. And I guess we throw these on feet and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.